Let's try to record. Harbor Freight? Yeah, no, not really. What about my own stream? Channel. Full screen. Oh wait, it's not over there, is it? Why's my webcam capture square? Okay, I think we got enough done. I can go ahead and just unbox this. This is supposed to be an incubator. Like that one down there, but much smaller. Because I didn't actually open that one on camera. Pull to open. That did not work. Yes. Plug it. What? Is that it? It was it. Okay. What about box cutter? Oh, cool. We got another box. Just. We're getting somewhere. This one says egg incubator. Ducks, parrots, and geese, apparently. I should have some background music for this. Hey, that's familiar. Nope, don't hit the mic. Hey. Power supply. And don't mind the paint on me, that's from a different project. Hey, 12 volts, 6 amps, that's 70 something watt power supply. I don't know if you can hear her in the background. I got a quail sitting over here in the sink. Oh my god, it's tiny. Oh! Hold on, let's get this off the tape. This, well, I don't know about putting these little tiny alligator clips on it, but that's for like hooking up to a battery. It's a battery backup. That's cool. Here's a whole little unit. Digital incubator, okay. Where's the other one? Oh, that's cool. It's also scratched up. I wonder if this is used. And that's why I got it for such a good price. That's pretty awesome. Kind of flops around more than this one does, though. Maybe I'm not in all the way. There we go. Okay, I just wasn't all the way. Well, I like the logo in green. This one, the logo's in white. In the bag. Let's open this sucker up. We got an instruction manual. It's not that great. humidity regulation bottles. Ooh, and a sprayer bottle, just in case I have this one from the other one. And this is the little sprayer while it's full. Don't see any sponges with this though. The full-size one I bought for chicken eggs came with sponges, and these two didn't. Interesting problem. It's also kind of a yellowness to this plastic is kind of strange. I don't think that comes across on camera. Let's put the caps on these so I don't lose them. Let's forget the camera center's over here. This is pretty decent. I've got this one over here. It says it's at the sensor on the machine says it's at 52% humidity, but my meter inside only says 49. That's not bad. Top also says 100 and that says 99, so it's actually pretty decent. These two probably use the exact same power supply, but just for the sake of plugging it in, let's turn both of them at the same time. I've got a power supply in this cabinet. There we go. That was a sound. And we got a green light. It did pop at me though. Oh, I bet the heckin' audio is fried on this. All I can hear is I can hear the bird going nuts in the back. Alright. Let's tuck you back there. Let's turn it on. That was pretty quick. Turning you in for the sake of the camera. But I gotta pick this up. Hit the set button. You can change the target temperature. And you can change the point at which the humidity alarm goes off. That one's actually doing good at 100. I wanted to change it to 99.5, but I'm kind of impressed there's no centigrade for this. Let me fill up this water bottle. Something fun, just like the bigger incubator units, is this water channel cuts off right here, so you have a 40%, 60% situation going on. And that's kind of strange. That's kind of awesome. While that gets up and going, oh, there's also a egg candler on top. So that's weird. This one, hold on, let me pull it out. This one came with no sponges, no battery backup cable. The chicken one I have in my truck right now came with sponges and no 12-volt backup cable. This one came with 12-volt but no sponges. I don't know. Don't know if that's by design or what. Ooh, let's hit the set button, see it rotate. Nope, not the set button. The plus button. Okay, that's pretty cool. Can't wait to have to explain to my boss why we have a second incubator. But forget it. Not only is this an incubator unboxing, I'm also gonna put some eggs to go into this one though. Let's see. Should I do this with the camera down here? You can just hang out of my way. Forget it. It won't make any difference. I'll move the camera later. That down. I guess we can skip every other one. Yes, I'm aware. I'm aware. Let's say pointy side should go in. Ooh, there's an odd number. That's strange. I should have come up with a way to mark these, actually. Come on, get out. Like, the ones over here are the oldest. Yes. Oh, wait, I can shut that up, can't I? Yep. What we got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. $19, $20. Oh, we're gonna do 24. That's not bad. That's 2 dozen. Oh, this one might not go. It's really small. Oh yes, I 3D printed all of my little egg holders. All right, let's get you back on. Nope, you're not on all the way. There we go. Sweet. All right. That was an unboxing of this one. It was identical to this one, except it's smaller. Oh, wait, that one's not giving me the shot. Billy? There we go. In the meantime, I'll let that one run. I'll come up with a hydrometer to watch it. Supposedly, it's already at 100. I don't know if I believe that. This one's coming up too. All right, video over. Back to normal streaming, I guess. Which kind of. Come on. There we go. Make this tiny. Pop it up here. All right. And stop recording.